In this video, I'll talk about how you can delete your order history on Temu. Now currently, right now, there is no way to only delete the order history, but there are two things that you can try. Now the first one is you can delete your Temu account, but keep in mind this will delete everything from your Temu account, so also if you have any referral money or any discount codes and stuff like this. But if you really want to do that, you can come up here and go to account security and delete your Temu account. If you're on your phone, you want to go on your phone and click on your profile and then go to account security and click delete your Temu account. Now another thing you can do is you can click on the support button right here and you can tell them if they can remove your order history, and sometimes the support might be able to do that. So those are the ways that you currently can do it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.